Today I'm going to be showing you how to tie a very simple ornament hanging ribbon knot like this. And in case you're interested, I will link to the tutorial for this crochet mitten ornament in the description. So go ahead and cut 30 inches of your ribbon, and you can use anything that you have lying around. It doesn't have to be ribbon, it can be embroidery floss or anything like that. You want to fold your ribbon in half, and I do recommend cutting your ribbon at an angle, but that's entirely up to you. And if you have a doorknob or something like that you can secure this over, that will make the tying part a little easier, but it isn't necessary. We're going to create a loop first, so go ahead and create a small loop at the fold of your ribbon, and we're just going to tie a basic knot to hold it in place. So the knot that you use to tie your shoes, we're just going to double tie that shoe knot right there to create a loop like this. From here, starting on the outside of your crochet project, insert a crochet hook and draw your loop through your project. So now you're going to take the loop that's not knotted and draw it through the knotted loop like this, and you're just going to pull that tight. So this is how you're going to hang your project right here, and we're going to tie a bow with the leftover tails. And again, just like I'm tying my shoes, that's the bow I'm tying. And pull your bow out a little bit bigger than you want it to be, and we're going to go ahead and double knot it. And from here, we're just going to cut our tails to be a little bit shorter. And so now you are done with your ornament tie. And if you're interested in more tutorials like this for these crochet add-ons, let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped you, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel, Crochet with Julie. Thank you so much for working with me, and I hope you have a wonderful, awesome day.